Teachback is a simple but underutilized strategy for good healthcare communication. It can improve patients' understanding of their health condition and what actions they need to take. Here is an example of Teachback in practice.
Today, we did a regular checkup and cleaning for you. And so today I saw a little bit of build-up on your gums. So we want to make sure that we're taking care of our teeth and our gums correctly. So you need to brush your teeth twice a day and make sure you floss correctly as well. So can you tell me what you must do?
I need to brush my teeth twice a day and make sure I floss correctly.
Yeah, that's right. So I want to see a healthy smile when I see you next.